Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update ngayong June 1 to 15, 2024. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pin comment kung paano makapagpabook. Okay, so Capricorn, let's see your energy ngayong first half ng June. Okay, let's see Capricorn. What's coming? Ace of Pentacles. Wow. So this is a new source of income, no? Or a new project na pwedeng magbigay sa'yo ng kaperahan in the future. So kailangan lang talaga rito is simulan mo, no? Alagaan mo, palaguin mo. Okay? Yan. Ace of Pentacles. So pwedeng new opportunity sa trabaho, sa career, sa business, or investment. You have the Knight of Cups. So, maaring there is someone like a water sign, no? Pwedeng water sign na romantically connected sa'yo, romantically involved. You have the Eight of Swords and the King of Pentacles. Okay. So, some of you, pwedeng merong magpaparamdam ng feelings nila towards you. Ito yung tipong pinigilan nila yung sarili nila for the longest time. Pwedeng ikaw rin to, pinipigilan mo yung sarili mo to express your feelings towards someone, but maaring ngayong first half ng June, you will try to open up, no? Unti-unti, you are opening up yourself to someone, especially if you're single or there is someone na nagpapakita ng interest sa'yo romantically. Kumbaga, tinatanggal mo na yung limitations na yan. And with the King of Pentacles, you are going to focus more on building a stable career, stable income, stable business, finances, ganyan. Gusto mo na maging mas financially stable than before. So, maaring may mga worries ka, may mga kumbaga natatakot kang subukan, but I think maglalakas loob ka na ngayong first half ng June to try it, no? Wala namang mawawala. So sa iyong money, career, finances, Ten of Pentacles, this is financial stability, financial security. This is having more than enough, no, na sa pangangailangan ng family ninyo. Meron din ditong potential of getting yung inheritance, no? Oo. From your parents, ancestors, lolo, lola. Kung meron kayong pinaprocess na inheritance. So, yan, makukuha nyo na. And you are also growing your finances ngayong June. You will be more focused on, yung parang mas magiging focus ka sa multiple streams of income na hindi lang yung trabaho mo ang source niyan, no, ng income mo. Pwedeng sa content creation din or sa business, may mga projects ka on the side. So things are changing for your career, your finances. Mas nagiging ka ngayon, risk taker when it comes to your career, your finances. Pwede ring may magsisimula nga na trabaho sa'yo or a business na talagang inaral mo, pinaghirapan mo, pinagplanuhan mo. You really prepared for this. Okay, but of course, syempre since ito ay risk, merong risk na involved, importante rin na alam mo yung pros and cons ng pinapasok mo. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo may investment na papasukin ngayong first half ng June. Yung iba naman, it's like a new source of income, like a potential source of income na kung pag-aaralan mo talaga, malaki yung possibility nito na maging stable na source of income mo yan in the future. As a relationship, you have the Sun, the King of Cups. Uy, yung iba sa inyo masaya. Masaya kayo sa relationship ninyo. Yung iba, you are starting to build your own family. No? Maaring bumibili na kayo ng mga properties para sa family ninyo, sarili ninyong bahay, lupa. Very inspired yung energies ninyo. Yung iba talaga sa inyo, ang kadil nyo ay isang water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, o kaya meron ding energy rito ng Leo, Aquarius, at ng Scorpio. Oo. So, water sign din yun. Maaring ano rin, mas magiging expressive ka sa feelings mo with your person. Parang ano kayo, partner talaga na magtutulungan para maabot nyo yung inyong pangarap for your family. And for some of you naman, if you're single, I see someone na may interest sa'yo. Parang ipupursu ka ng person na to. Kasi nakikita niya sa'yo yung confidence na gusto niya sa isang tao. No? And yung confidence na yan yung mas lalong magbo-boost sa'yo para, to get into a certain relationship na seryoso talaga. Ito yung tipong merong patutunguhan na relasyon na hindi joke lang. Okay? So, you have grace. Grace is about grasya, diba? Blessings. Oo. Blessings are coming in para sa inyo, Capricorn. Importante rin sa inyo yung connections ninyo, yung friends nyo, yung network ninyo, because they will also be a blessing. They will also become a blessing to you. Na syempre 'di ba pag mas marami kang connections, maraming possibilities na pwedeng mangyari sa iyo, let's say sa career mo or yung tulong na kailangan mo nandiyan kasi maraming mga pwedeng magbigay ng assistance sa iyo. Ayan. So you're very confident at this time. I think you're going to pursue your passion. You know what you want, no? Importante kasi sa atin, alam natin kung ano yung gusto natin para maaga pa lang na-figure out mo na at alam mo na kung ano yung gagawin mo, yung mga steps na gagawin mo to achieve that goal, 'di ba? Oh, may magical powers. Yung iba sa inyo, very spiritual or you are into manifestation. And yun nga, manifestation requires action. Hindi lang puro affirmations yan. Kailangan you are also working towards that goal. Example, you want to manifest an income, no? A new source of income. So, of course, you have to check rin, no? Alamin mo rin kung ano pa yung mga posibleng sources of income na pwede mong magawa passive. Yung mga passive income. Oo, na kung saan pwede kang kumita kahit tulog ka. Kahit wala kang ginagawa, kikita ka. So, yun na yung mga ngayon mga in demand ngayon na you don't really have to work so hard like kumbaga nakatali ka sa oras, no? Oo, may mga pagkakataon na pwede kang umupo lang pero you are earning money. Okay? Yan. Tignan mo, connection, communication. So, some of you, ang inyong situation ngayon, like example sa career ninyo, is related to communication. Using your voice, your talents, your skills to connect with others. I also see na people might be reaching out sa'yo. Can be for business or yung collaboration. They want to work with you. Mas magiging very careful ka rin sa mga papasukin mong kontrata, mga collaboration. You have to check yung mga detalye na nakalagay doon, hindi lang pirma ng pirma, 'di ba? Minsan kasi tinatamad tayo magbasa 'di ba? But for you are going to be inspecting things, no? You're going to pay attention. And yung iba sa inyo, you are going to help others. Hindi lang sa ang pagtulong, hindi lang naman sa pera yan. Pwedeng pagtulong sa exchange ng knowledge, no? Ng services. So, some of you are humanitarian, tumutulong sa iba. So, meron ditong broken vase, some sort of hardship. But I think yung mga challenges na yan, no? You will be able to overcome that. Okay? You will be able to fix it. Meron kang opportunity na maayos kung ano yung mga naging problems mo financially or problems mo with your connections, with your relationship. Some of you maaring makikilala niyo yung soulmate ninyo. Ayan. You might be going out more often, spending more time together with your person. Mas makakatulong yan sa pagpapastrengthen ng inyong bond. Let's see what else. Gratitude is the life force of peace. So what are you thankful for? Yes. So, syempre, no, you have to count your blessings para mas lalo kang ma-inspire. Kasi the moment na i-compare na natin yung success ng iba sa success natin, minsan parang we feel na mas successful yung ibang tao, but it doesn't mean na hindi ka successful. So, you have your own blessings to be thankful for. So, importante na grateful ka dyan kasi pag grateful ka, you will be blessed even more. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. Bye!